Hey, hi. Good evening.
Nice.
Hey, hi. What is our last topic discussion?
Actually, we have discussed about continuous here in transfer statements. We have to yet discuss about break and pass.
Okay. You're able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We discussed about mm, break as well as continue also. Once, can you please check? Execution of a program with break and without break. Can you please try to remember?
In break, we come out from the loop,
Hmm.
and in continue, we will skip the line, but
Yes,
skip
we'll
the
skip
rest of
the
the
next
loop.
we'll skip the rest of the program,
Yeah.
rest of the loop.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now the next one is pass. What is the meaning of pass?
Pass. I think it has no meaning. It's just to pass.
Move to the next one.
It's an empty statement.
Oh.
It won't do anything. What will happen if a number is multiplied with a 1?
Change the same number we'll get it.
Same number
Oh.
doesn't change.
Okay. Now I'll show you where it will be helpful. You got an error? You observed indentation is there, it doesn't do anything. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it will just pass the statement and it will be like a dummy statement. We need to write a code, but for our future use and based on the remaining program functionality, we'll decide how we need to write and what type of code. But even though if we want to check and if we want to see all the deliverables, all those things, now then you need to be use pass. Okay, now just see, I'll ask. Difference between for loop and while loop. What is difference between for loop and while loop?
It exceeds the-
Sorry,
So, no, sir.
what is the difference between for loop and while loop? Just try to give simple statements for each and every one.
In while loop, we do increment and just and for loop it increment whenever it runs loop it increase value, and while loop we give number of times, like how many times we give the condition of how many times we want to run the code.
See, this is an interview perspective. This is very important.
Repeatedly doing the.
Actually, in while loop, we have to increment it manually, whereas in for loop, it will get incremented automatically.
Yes.
Every element in the sequence. This condition is true.
Yeah.
Also, the increment will not happen, yes, sir. With while the increment will not happen, we have to give it like manually, like, right?
There is no scope of uh,
Execution.
incremental thing. I mean to say there is no scope of incremental thing in the broader perspective.
Okay.
I mean to say increment is a additional thing which we are adding to it. Right? Even though if it is a for, even though if it is a while, every element, every element in sequence, it means we are using index and we are using the index is increasing automatically. That particular statement also there is they existed in every element in the sequence. In the while loop, what's happening? It will execute code as long as condition true.
Condition
If
is
you
true.
don't,
Yeah.
if you didn't give, incremental operator also doesn't fine. It's fine.
Okay. So
Okay.
if we didn't give now, it will not execute continuously, right? It will not take every element while loop.
It
Will
will
it do?
execute. We will get an infinite loop, right?
Ah, that's what.
We'll execute. We'll execute. We'll get an infinite loop. See, for example,
Yes. Yes, I got it. It will execute with the
Got
I
it?
is equal to 0. No, it will be
Ah.
executing with I is equal to 0 for n time. It will be continuously
Ah.
executing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
What is the use of break statement?
Break and come out of. If a condition is not needed, we can break and come out of the loop.
To exit from loop. Continue.
We want to break a certain iteration and to continue with the next one, we can use continue.
For example, if else when else part will be execute.
And if condition is not satisfied, else part will be executed.
Both are true.
When if condition is not satisfied, we'll default it goes to else loop.
Just see. What is the result you will get now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Audio.
This is the result you will get, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now see. What will happen if I is break it here?
I think the first element alone will be print. First, when the number first even number is identified, it will just break out of the loop.
Okay. What will happen if I use continue at here?
Even if it is identified, it will go on to the next step.
Yes.
It will be working as usual. I don't.
Okay. Now see. Without continue, what is the result for this particular program?
Just get even.
Even.
Yeah.
And it will print.
Print. Yeah.
Or it will print. It will
Mm.
print continuously each and every element. After this also it will print.
Print every
But if you use continue, it will skip.
It will not print the even elements, even numbers.
It will continue. The statement only will print. for that particular statement. Up to, okay, if it is even number, it will come up to here. Okay, after that it will go once again into it. It doesn't print this particular option for even numbers. Okay.
Yes.
Once, can you please look into these things? Okay.
Sir, actually in real time, where this continue will be used? Like
In real time,
yeah, in simple examples, like because I can continue its I can understand its functionality, but in real time I cannot like correlate like where this can be exactly used, like how it will be used.
okay. So for example, how can I say? You need to identify some specific values. Okay. After identifying, you need to identify some specific values. Um, you have for example, you can consider 6 prices are there.
Okay.
6 prices are there. What are those
Okay.
prices? 100, 200, 150, 400, 500, 90, 80, 75. These are the numbers.
Okay.
Okay, these are the prices. Okay.
Mm.
How you will do, how you will do, if price is more than 200, then it is not suitable. How you will do?
Price is greater than 200, we
If
have to
price is greater than 200, you need to print that particular series value, and along with the statement, it is not suitable.
okay. I got it.
You got it? Try
Yes,
to
sir.
write a function. Try to write a program for that.
Yes, sir.
If the price is greater than 200, you need to print value, and along with the statement, this is not eligible or something else. Anyone completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you please post your program
Yes, sir.
in the chat? I asked all of you without using the continue. Without using the continue. If you want to understand the importance of the continue, you need to write with help of the continue only, without continue only,
This
right?
is just to print, like if it is a price is greater than 200, we have to print it is price is high, right?
Huh. Uh, okay. Now you tell me I need to print. I want to see 10, 20, 90, 80, 75, 150 also in the result. How we will do without using continue?
Else,
Can you please try to write? Else,
else we can write the prices.
okay. Now you see. Okay.
Yeah, it's work.
I'm just removing else. Continue is replacing what?
Else part. All is
Okay. You understood the statement?
yes, sir.
Right. So these are the transfer statements. Okay.
Continue is replacing the else part, but still both of them, the result is same, right, sir?
Sorry.
No, both of the result is same, right?
Yes.
Result is
But
same, but
but
it's
yes. But you know what is happened in the this particular loop? Once your result is came into the picture also, after that also it will execute the remaining program. In this case, it will stop until it here and it will go to top, and once again it will check if it is this or this, it will print.
then how that 85 and see, I didn't get
Okay.
that, sir. One more time.
I'll tell. Can you please take a one number and try to go through the loop
First it will take 10.
step by step, step by step, step by
First
step.
it will, okay, first it will take the 10.
Okay, take the 10.
Okay, then it will check is that is greater than 200.
Check if it is.
Check it is if I have that value 10 greater
Okay.
than 100.
And
Uh,
if it is true,
then it will print that print price is high.
if it is true,
It will show price is high.
it will enter into loop.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it
Otherwise,
will
print that.
enter into else statement.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Now see what will happen.
Here also see it will first
It will bring 10.
first
After that,
will check again it is greater than 200.
after that,
If it's true, print the end of the loop.
print. It will print, right?
Yes.
After print, what it will do?
It will continue. Then
If it enter into loop, it will print.
yeah, it print. Then
It will print. If it enter into loop, what will happen along with the print? It will leave the 2, it will leave the 10, and it will once again go into the loop and it will bring another number 20. Why? Because that number validation is completed until then, right? If it is entered into the loop means it is already, its validation is completed, right?
yes.
You're getting my point?
Yes. Then it will go and take the 20 value.
It will print along with that. You understand the difference? In each and every time, number of operations, how many operations it will happen? The compiler will move to the else statement also. But here, if one result is true, then it doesn't check for the another probable another functionality. It will complete it there and it will come out of it. And it will go to the another element to check all those things. Okay. To get a little more clarity on it, you know, I'm pinging you this link. Just try to go through the programs which are there in this link. Okay, you are able to see the answers also.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay,
Mm.
and each and every I'm going to tell you, MySQL installation is not completed for us, right?
No,
Completed or not completed?
not completed. You didn't ask it to do that. So I don't think so. I didn't come last class.
No. Not for everyone. We didn't discuss it, right?
No,
Okay.
not yet.
See this one. Once see this one. MySQL dot downloads. Just try to remember the path, and if you are facing any problems, I'll tell. Okay. First MySQL, in that particular MySQL community GPL downloads. Okay. MySQL community downloads. In that MySQL workbench. Anyone has a Windows 10 or above with a high configuration whose system is good?
I have Windows 10, sir.
What's your system capacity?
Actually, but this is not like that much good. It has Windows 10, but I think this capacity is not good.
Who have a good configuration?
I do have, sir.
Sudha,
Yes, sir.
what are the configurations of your system?
1 second, sir. I'm checking it.
System.
Where to check this, sir? Configuration of the system.
My PC will be there, right? My system.
Yeah.
You can share your screen. I'm going to select.
Asking about the memory, sir.
1 second. You accepted it? That's right. These are the things.
Okay.
i7 Intel Core CPU 2.60.
It's a gaming system. That's why I thought it will be.
Yes, yes, that's a good configurations. Okay, right. Can you please open Chrome? MySQL, Workbench.
Workbench, right?
Yes, yes. Click on it. Come down. Downloads MySQL Workbench. Otherwise below one. MySQL Workbench.
Shall I download it now, sir? Shall I click on download?
Where? No, not that one. MySQL. No. Come back, come back. MySQL Workbench. Come down. Yes. There. Click on that one.
Here.
No. Top
This
one.
one only, right?
Yes. Go to the download. Stop. Top. Yes. Click on
Yeah.
there. Now come down. MySQL Community GPL downloads is there, right? Click on it. Click on it. Now come down. MySQL Workbench. Click on it. Come down. Installer. Download. Okay. Go to downloads page. Above. Yes. Click on it. Okay. Select the MSI installer. Download it. No thanks. Just start my download. No. No thanks. Just start my download. Guys, I want to say like meanwhile parallelly if possible you also can do. I'm getting noise. Can you please mute yourself if you're getting noise?
So which one to download? It's showing two MSI installers.
You already downloaded, right? You already started installing.
Yeah.
Click on next. Okay. Next. Execute. It will take time. Okay,
Completed,
next,
sir. Yeah.
next. Okay, give the password. Give the password.
Anything is okay, sir.
No. 1 second. Back up MySQL database before upgrading the system. Skip the tables. Upgrading check and process. Okay. Give the password. You created a password. In this process, you created the password. No, right?
No, right. No, sir.
Okay. Try to give one password.
Okay.
Root at the rate localhost. Means already it is there in your machine or something else. Check.
No, sir.
Where you missed. Which step you missed. Cancel it once. Yes. Configuration cancelled. 5.7.39. Server. Cancel. Close it. On the top. Top. Not there. The app interface is there, right? Open your download. Open your downloads. Double click on it. 1 second. What's happening? Okay, hold on then. No, can you please close it and download the 64-bit MSI installer. Come to the download page. Not this, cancel it, cancel it. Downloads. MySQL, yes, yes. Go back. Uh, go back, go back. Yes, this is download now, not download. No thanks, just start my download. What happened? Three hours.
It's showing 3 hours, 2 hours left, like that, sir. It's taking too long, I think.
Guys, any other one are trying? Anyone are downloaded?
I was also trying, but I also did in the same way, 32-bit like that.
For me, it's coming, sir, but for me, it's asking MySQL documents requires Visual C++ 2019 redistributable
Sorry,
package.
sorry. What is it? What it is asking?
It says that it requires Visual C++ 2019.
Okay, can you please also open the workbench? Already it is.
There, right?
Already it is.
There in your machine.
Once click on the
Yes,
root.
sir. Just now I saw it. Yeah, it's already there.
Click on the root. Click on the root.
Just click on it. Yes. So that is the reason I asked you. Is it already there in your machine or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can remove those downloads.
Format requires click download instructions. Yes, Murali. Yes, Murali.
Okay, each and everyone try. I mean to say like try to do it. You no need to change any default settings, but if you have any doubts, just Google it and try to install it. But in the process, you need to create a password. Remember that thing. Otherwise, you're not able to do it. You don't change any default settings. If whenever you see execute, you need to use execute. You saw the execute button. You need to you need to press it and proceed with that.
In between that was 32 and you asked to go back and do that 64, right? So we have to.
Yes, right. Yes, you can try once. Why? Because some systems may not accept 32-bit operating 32-bit software.
Because mine is also showing it's not compatible.
32-bit is not compatible.
Yeah.
Then you can go with the 64-bit.
Okay.
Okay, just if you're facing any errors, can you please post it in the group? Okay. Hello, you're able to hear me?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yeah, we'll do.
You can post it in the group. I mean, say like I'll try to answer those things.
Okay, sir.
So, sir, we
Oh,
need to download it from go to download page anywhere from anywhere we can download it.
from anywhere you can download, but some places malwares will be there, right? It will be somewhat not a standard way to do those things. Why? Because softnik and different places will be there. If they are keeping some virus in that particular software, you know what you'll do?
Mm.
Generally, in the open source things, people will prefer to inject the things.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, please try to install it, even though if it's a weekend. I'm going to say like if anyone are trying to do and if you got any doubts, please let me know. I'll help you in that. Okay. Thank you. From I'm going to say like we have some very few concepts are remaining in the core Python, and along with that installation part, and we complete those things, functions and exception handlings.
So by next week we will start like after Python. What will be
SQL.
SQL MySQL? Okay.
Yes, SQL and Excel parallelly.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. Thank you guys. Bye.